Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler was a prominent German astronomer, mathematician, as well as a brilliant astrologer. Kepler had contributed to a great degree in the scientific revolution during the 17th century. He is very famous for the eponymous laws of planetary motion, which had been later codified by many astronomers. His exceptional work endowed a key foundation for Isaac Newton's theory based on the universal gravitation. He also assisted Tycho Brahe, who was a great astronomer. He even taught mathematics in Linz at Austria and played the role of an advisor for General Wallenstein. He had discovered the superior edition of refracting telescope that is known as the Keplerian telescope. This great personality also talked about the telescopic inventions of Galileo. Kepler had initiated the comprehensive research on the optics law. He also focused on chronology, which was about dating all the essential events that took place in the lifetime of Jesus. John Adam Presper. John Adam Presper was born on April 9, 1919, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He was an American electrical engineer and one of the most computer founders. In the company of John Mauchly, he made up the first general-purpose electronic digital computer that is known as ENIAC. John Adam Presper positioned second in the country on the maths section of the college board examination. ENIAC was finished in late 1945 and was made available to the public in February 1946. Eckert and Mauchly started an electronic control company that built the binary automatic computer. This machine stores the data in the magnetic tapes. The electronic control company shortly changed into the Eckert-Mauchly Computer Corporation, and he was awarded with the Howard N. Potts Medal in the year 1949 for revolutionary and ongoing contributions in creating, developing, and enhancing the quick electronic digital computer. He was awarded the National Medal of Science in 1968. He passed away on 3rd June 1995. John Bardeen. Born to the son of Dr. Charles R. Bardeen and Althea Harmer, the name of John Bardeen is engraved in golden letters in the history of the Nobel Awards. This extremely talented American physicist and electrical engineer is celebrated as the only person to have won 2 Nobel Prizes in physics, the first among which was awarded to him for being the co-inventor of transistor with William Shockley and Walter Brattain. The great invention of the transistor happened when John Bardeen and Walter Brattain at AT&T's Bell Labs started performing experiments on semiconductive materials. It was then that they noticed that a signal was produced with the help of two gold points applied to a crystal of germanium. They developed the theory even further. Ultimately, with the help of William Shockley, he invented the transistor in 1947. John Bardeen had been awarded many prizes for his outstanding contributions in physics throughout his lifetime. John Barber, born in Nottinghamshire in 1734. John Barber was an English inventor and coal master, better known to the world as the inventor of the first gas turbine. He made many discoveries between 1766 and 1792, notable among which was his idea of creating a gas turbine. He took out a patent on that in 1791, where he mentioned how to create a gas turbine with the help of a chain-driven, a combustion chamber, reciprocating gas compressor, and a turbine. In his design, the gas was to be made to be heated in a producer and passed onto a receiver for cooling only, to be compressed and made powerful enough to paddle a wheel. Although his idea was pretty foolproof, yet the lack of technology in contemporary times stopped Barber from realizing his plan successfully. It was developing on this idea of John Barber itself that the modern-day turbine engine was developed. He died in the year of 1801.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.